Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Captain Chandan. As you know, I am uploading a pilot training series video and covering general navigation for CPL and ATPL examination on regular basis. So in this video we'll cover track, course, heading, track made good, that is called TMG, drift, track error, and some more terms related to direction. This is very important topic for every pilot. Hope my video is helping for your upcoming exam. Kindly do subscribe and share, or you can WhatsApp me. Thank you so much for watching my video.
Pacific Bay International Airport information Foxtrot 05000. Wind calm, runway 07 in use.
We will discuss some definition. This is very important for exam as well as pilot daily life. This will help to understand many questions in CPL and ATPL examination, and it is very basic and very important for pilot life. So the first definition is course. Course is the path the aircraft actually moving in the sky and expressed in four ways, which we discussed earlier: true course, magnetic course, compass course, and grid course. Heading: the direction in which the fore and aft axis of aircraft is pointing and measured from datum north. It also expressed in three ways, that is true, magnetic, and compass north. Now we will see in the diagram so that it will be very easy to understand what is course and what is heading. Aircraft flying from position A to position B with no wind. So we will see what is heading and what is course. First we will see the course, and as we know, course is the direction the plane is actually moving. So aircraft is moving on AB. So AB is a course. We can say AB is a course, and it is measured from datum north. If we take a true datum, it will be true course, and for magnetic datum it will be magnetic course. Similar as a compass datum, it will be compass course, and for grid datum it will be grid course. Now from datum north we take clockwise direction to measure course. So in this diagram we will take one example. So from datum north, that is 000 degree, if we measure clockwise, then course will be 090 degree. So we can say course is 090 degree. Now we will talk about heading. So heading is a direction where aircraft nose is pointing, or we can say heading is a direction towards fore and aft axis of aircraft. So heading measured from datum north clockwise, it will be also true north, magnetic north, compass north, or grid north. So whichever we select the datum, the result will be in similar. For example, if you are taking magnetic north, then the heading will be magnetic. If you are taking true north, then heading will be true north. Now we will compare heading and course when there is a wind. Now we will compare heading and course when there is a wind. As you see, wind coming from right, so aircraft deviate from its course AB to a new path, or you can say course AC. So now course is AC. It is due to wind. If you measure from datum north, it will be approx 60 degree, and for heading, measuring clockwise from datum north, it will be approx 90 degree. Track. Track is a path of aircraft describe it on the surface of the earth. It also measured from datum north and expressed in four ways. It is similar as a course: true track, magnetic track, compass track, and grid track. Suppose we plan to fly from point A to point B on the earth's surface. It is called track. Example: you wanted to fly north in zero wind condition. So track, course and heading will be same. But in real world it is not always be like that. Suppose wind is coming from northeast, that is 045 degree. As you fly, wind will affect to aircraft and aircraft will drift left from the track. This actual flight path we call track made good. So there are many types of track we already discussed and we knew it what is drum line and gate circle. If you don't know, kindly visit my previous video. So when the path of aircraft described along the drum line, that is called drum line track. An example all parallel of latitude, that is drum line track. And gate circle, when the flight path of aircraft along with the gate circle is called gate circle track. Required track, a path of aircraft supposed to follow is called required track, and track made good, actual path of aircraft followed by aircraft, that is called track made good or TMG. Track error, angular difference between required track and track made good. Heading is indicated by single arrow and track is indicated by double arrow and wind is indicated by triple arrow. Required track. Suppose aircraft is out of track. So what pilot supposed to do? He will reroute from present position toward the destination. That is called required track. Track error. You can see we planned from point A to point B on the ground, but due to wind, aircraft drifted to the left. An aircraft is following drifted path, that is called track made good. So difference between track and track made good is called track error. As you see here, wind direction is denoted by 3 arrows, track will be 2 and heading will be 1 arrow. Drift. Drift is angular difference between track made good and heading of aircraft. Here taking datum as a heading of aircraft. So if track is a starboard side, the heading is called starboard drift. Starboard means right side. If track is port side, then the heading is called port drift. So here starboard is right, track will be right side from heading, and port means track will be left from heading. Remember some point. If track made good is true, so track made good equals heading. Heading must be true, plus minus drift. If it is magnetic, then heading also be in magnetic plus minus drifts. But in example, sometime it is given heading is magnetic and track is true. So you will find there is a variation. So applying variation, we can convert in same datum. It will be either magnetic or either true. So we can calculate the drift, heading and track made good. Very easy way to find that drift will be either starboard or port. For example, pilot is inside the aircraft. So from aircraft, look where is your present track which you are following. If it is left of you, then drift is port. If it is right, then drift is starboard. Always taking as a datum. From the aircraft, look where is your track. In this picture, if you are taking a datum as a heading, then you will see the present track is right of heading. So we can say positive drift or starboard drift. Similar, if the track is left from heading, then it is called negative drift or port drift. Hope you understand the topic, and my upcoming video I will cover numericals from variation, deviation, track drift and track error and some mixed problem. So see you soon, and God bless you all.